A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Captain Schroeder and his crew, we would like to welcome you on board this Norwegian flight to Venice. The flight time is estimated to be 2 hours and 25 minutes. The crew on board is here for your safety. In a few minutes, we will show you a video demonstrating the safety features of this aircraft. Headsets attached to electronic devices are not permitted during the safety demonstration. We now ask for your full attention. Vielä iltapäivää, hyvät matkustajat. Kapteeni Schröder miehistöneen toivottaa teidät tervetulleeksi Norwegianin lennolle Venetsiaan. Arvioitu lentoaika on noin 2 tuntia ja 55 minuuttia. Miehistö on koneessa teidän turvallisuutenne vuoksi. Näytämme teille hetken kuluttua videon tämän lentokoneen turvaohjeista. Kuulokkeiden käyttö elektronisissa laitteissa ei ole sallittua turva-asioiden esittelyn aikana. Pyydämme nyt huomiotanne.
Palataan kohta asiaan.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Norwegian. Please may we have your attention while we demonstrate the safety features of this Boeing 737-800 aircraft. To avoid blocking your exit, please stow hand luggage in the overhead locker or beneath the seat in front of you. If you are seated in the front row or the row next to the overwing exits, please keep these areas clear during takeoff and landing. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal tip into the buckle and tighten by pulling the strap. To unfasten, lift the flap and pull the ends apart. If there is a drop in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will deploy from a panel above your head. Remain seated and pull the mask down towards you to activate the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, pull the elastic band over your head and breathe normally. Adjust the mask by tightening the elastic band. Secure your own mask first before assisting your child, infant or others. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft, 2 at the back, 2 at the front, and 4 exits over the wings. To open the overwing exit, pull the red handle down and leave the aircraft by sliding down the rear of the wing. To open the front and rear exit doors, pull the lever in the direction of the arrow. Escape slides will deploy from the base of all front and rear exit doors. If a slide fails to deploy, pull the handle to inflate the slide. Emergency path lighting on the floor will guide you to the exits. Your life vest is under your seat. In the unlikely event that the aircraft should land on water, remove the life vest from its pouch and place the vest over your head. Secure the strap to interfere with aircraft systems. Mobile phones and other electronic devices with flight mode must be placed into flight mode now. All electronic devices that do not support flight mode must be turned off during takeoff and landing. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now preparing for takeoff. Please ensure that your tray table is stowed, your seatbelt is securely fastened, your seat back is in the upright position with the armrest down, and your window blind is open. All safety information is shown on the safety information card located in your seat pocket. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you a pleasant flight with Norwegian.